Hello mga ka-Cafe! Good morning! Yes! Welcome to Costa Toscana and talagang, tingnan mo naman, parang napapahaws ako kasi todo hiyaw, sigaw kami sa mga presentation nila dito. Sobrang napaka-overwhelming. Pero syempre, kahit sobrang nag-i-enjoy tayo, hindi natin makakalimutan yung reason kung bakit tayo nagse-celebrate ngayon ng Christmas. Okay, Merry Christmas everyone! From us to yours.
From our family to yours.
Oh yes, to yours. So, ayun na nga. So, ngayon, we just wanted to share some things na talagang pinakita ng Lord at pinaranas ng Lord sa amin this year. Yes, so, ngayon, gusto namin i-share yung topic na about what's something you believe now that you didn't believe before. This is Justin, by the way. My one and only friend who is very emotional but conqueror but unstoppable. Yes, and blessed. 28 years old. Next year. Next year. Single, available, but only for godly man. Hello, Ter.
Hello. Thank you for guesting me on your podcast.
My pleasure. Charot.
Okay, ano nga yung question?
The question is, what's something you believe now that you didn't believe before?
Okay. So, what comes to my mind? Ang raming bagay Ang raming bagay na talagang noon, hindi pa ako Christian, is talagang napaka-imposible. Napaka-imposibleng isipin, to grasp, napaka-imposible talaga na, gagawin niya ng Lord for me. Sino ba ako? I just want to share the very big thing na ginawa niya for this year sa akin is yung ibigay niya yung current work ko. Kasi hindi ko ma-imagine yung HRM course tayo, graduated from that course, and thinking lang natin is to work in a cruise ship, or to work in a plane, or to work in a restaurant, in a hotel. But then God's plan is way better, and His thought is way higher than us. Grabe, God's faithfulness is talagang pinapakita niya sa akin na kung kasama mo siya, hindi ka niya pababayaan.
Yeah.
Talaga yung ginagawa
Amen.
ko ngayon is, as in, hindi ko pinag-aralan. Wala talaga yan sa kung anong natapos mo, kung anong ginawa mo before, ano yung experience mo before. Kasi when God opened a door for you, walang makakapigil. And I'm so blessed to receive that work na meron ako ngayon. Kasi hindi lang it's not all about money, but it's all about yung katrabaho mo, mga kind of people that surrounds me in my work. Kasi talagang isa sa mga nakakapag-drain sa atin as a worker, especially we are here abroad, wala tayong family nearby, is yung mga taong nakapalibot sa atin. And it's such a big impact kung mapapalibutan ka ng mga tao na talaga namang hindi ka i-look down, but will lift you up. And ganun yung feelings ko ngayon sa current job ko, na talaga namang nandun yung camaraderie, nandun yung teamwork. So yung napaka-blessed na, grabe, nakakaya kahit hanggang ngayon, iniisip ko yung kabutihan ng Panginoon sa akin, sa career ko. Word ko ngang natanggap kagabi is that God answered prayers, and He is doing it in a mighty deeds. Yung parang hindi lang siya sumasagot sa prayer, pero talagang nandun yung mighty works ng Panginoon. Paano niya sagutin yung prayer mo?
Yeah.
Yung ganun. So yun. So, yung yung question mo nga kanina na what is the thing that you believe now that you didn't believe before, is that God can work miracles in your life.
Yeah.
Hindi lang sa career, but pati sa family ko. Walang magkakasakit sa kanila. Even though hindi kami magkakasama ngayong Christmas, but nandun yung joy sa heart namin. And napapalibutan din ako ng mga taong kagaya mo. Na malayo din sa family. Hindi, mga godly people. Kasi talagang it will really help you din in your walk sa earth, and then, in your walk din as a Christian. Na talagang, kasi darating yung point na, ang rami ko nang sinasabi, diba? Pero darating yung point na talaga namang, nandun yung madadown ka, hindi naman tayo perfect diba? The enemy comes to steal, kill, and destroy.
Yeah.
So, talagang nakakatulong yung mga taong nakapalibot sa'yo May mga unanswered prayer din ha. Marami ding unanswered prayer. Pero sabi nga dun sa isang kanta na, I have so many things to be grateful for. Yung parang, huwag kang tumingin dun sa wala sa'yo. Tingnan mo yung anong meron sa'yo. Kasi the joy and abundance of the Lord is made available for you. You know, yung parang, yes, may marami kang gusto pa sa buhay. Wala ka man sa lugar na pinagpe-pray mo, pero wala ka din sa lugar that you used before. Nandito ka sa presence ng Lord. Yung parang gano'n na, ewan ko na lang. I'm out of topic na, Ter. Pero, ayan na, ang gusto ko lang talagang i-share is yung faithfulness ng Lord na hindi ko lubos maisip talaga na God can bless me like this. Like, I'm celebrating Christmas in a cruise ship for 8 days. Talagang provided ng Lord lahat from
Amen.
our food to drinks. Now, we didn't need to order. Talagang pinrovide niya pati mga tao. Talagang we are
God
being...
uses people around us.
Yes, to bless us and to serve us.
Yeah.
Yung parang ganun, if you are serving in the kingdom of the Lord, no, talagang gagamit si Lord ng mga tao that will also serve you para pa-experience niya sa kanya na this relation is give and take. Yung parang ganun. So, napakabuti lang. And we are so blessed that we are here in Costa Toscana celebrating Christmas. Malayo man kami sa family, malayo man kami sa mga mahal namin sa buhay, but we are here standing in the faithfulness of the Lord in our life.
Amen. Yeah. Wow, that was so great. That was so amazing testimony. Wow! Yeah. But really, the goodness of God sa buhay natin talagang hindi ka panipaniwala na God really exists. I mean, you will not experience the miracles in your life if you will not believe, of course. Paano kikilos ang Lord, di ba? Kung hindi mo paniniwalaan na hindi, darating din ako sa puntong ganyan. Mai-experience ko din yan. Makukuha ko din yung sahod na yan. Makukuha ko din yung leave na yan. Di ba? Because you believe in God that He will do behind the scene, doing something. Di ba? Even though you are praying and hindi mo nakikitang parang wala mang sign, wala mang ka-sign, Lord. But, you know, still, you believe in your heart that, Lord, I know, if it is your will, it will come to pass.
Yes.
Amen. Diba?